Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Time 5 seconds for each question. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Hitwasam a doctor. Correct answer is option A. Question 2. They was very tired yesterday. Correct answer is option D. Question 3. I dope or swimming last Sunday. Correct answer is option B. Question 4. She alright not like coffee. Correct answer is option B. Question 5. We das in Karachi 2 years ago. Correct answer is option C. Question 6. He or his car last week? Correct answer is option B. Question 7. The children are happy now. Correct answer is option B. Question 8. I das out a new pen yesterday. Correct answer is option B. Question 9. She does out never been to Islamabad. Correct answer is option A. Question 10. They subach class cricket in the evening. Correct answer is option A. Question 11. He not study last night. Correct answer is option C. Question 12. We down breakfast at 8 o'clock. Correct answer is option A. Question 13. The sun outside is bright today. Correct answer is option B. Question 14. She das a letter to her friend yesterday. Correct answer is option B. Question 15. We mama was watching a movie when the lights went out. Correct answer is option C. Question 16. They already finished their homework. Correct answer is option B. Question 17. He wow to the park every morning. Correct answer is option B. Question 18. The baby was asleep now. Correct answer is option A. Question 19. I bought breakfast yesterday at 9 o'clock. Correct answer is option C. Question 20. She saw not come to school last Monday. Correct answer is option C.